Hey, what's up? This is Neil Napier, and thankfully 2020 is coming to an end. Now, 2021 is going to be a pretty big year for entrepreneurs, for business owners all around, because typically when there's a recession, we tend to thrive, if only for a year or two. So it is possible that 2021 might be your best year ever. And to help you do that, I want to give you the kickstart that you need with content marketing. So I want you to sign up on this page, because when you do, I'll take you through a special training to show you how you can create and market content very quickly in 3 simple steps in less than 5 minutes per blog post, as well as you can do this automatically. So make sure that you opt in below. We're going to show you a demo of Content Gorilla 2, plus I'll invite you as well to a special session that we're running on the 5th of December at 10 a.m. Eastern. We will be able to take you behind the scenes and show you how Content Gorilla 2.0 is changing lives. So make sure again you opt in below and check out the next page and leave a comment underneath as well when you have actually looked at the demo of Content Gorilla 2.0. This is Neil Napier, and I'm looking forward to seeing you on the live session on the 5th of December.